Hi friends, how are you? Hope that you are well. In today's video, I wanna share with you some tips and tricks which will be helpful for you for your English journey. And as you can see, I am a English speaker, but English is not my mother tongue. It is the second language of me, but I can speak it now. Why it is possible? And anyone can do that if they want. Anyone can make it possible if they just practice English daily. So daily English practice is necessary for you to speak fluently and confidently. So whatever you want to say, you have to gather enough knowledge. If you do not have knowledge, then how can you share anything else? First one is, whatever you want to say, then you have to know that deeply. First thing, you have to know, or you have to gather knowledge whatever topics you want to express. So first one is gather knowledge about your topic, and the second one is you have to try to express. Okay, so whenever you are trying to express your thoughts, your emotions, or whatever things you want to express, you will face some obstacles like vocabulary parts. Okay, so you will have enough vocabulary, or you will not have enough vocabulary for delivering your speech, and whatever in your mind you will not be able to explain. So that's an important thing for you to find out, that what is the problem behind these things. Okay, so you have to find out your obstacles for being such a good speaker in English. At the same time, you have to develop. So the second one is you have to find out the problems. Okay, so whatever problems you are facing right now, then you have to try to find out that and then solve those types of things. After solving those types of things, you can be able to speak English fluently. So you have to choose a topic, you have to have enough knowledge about those types of topics. Okay, and then you have to gather enough vocabulary on this topic, and then you can express your thoughts. Okay, but whenever you will try to speak or express your thoughts, your mind will be blank. So it is not your problem only, it is the problem for them who are trying to speak English at first. So you should not hesitate about these things. You should think about your progress, whatever progress is happening right now, then you can try for that. Okay, so step by step you have to grow your English journey, and you have to try to be a good speaker in English. And everyone can do this. If I can do, if anyone can do, why can't you do? You can do it also. So after finding problems, then you have to try to express. But how you can express? Okay, in front of camera like this, whatever I am doing right now, or in front of mirror. Okay, that is called in Bangla aina. So you can use this to make your video or to express something. Okay, by mobile phone or mirror, it can be happened. Okay, so these are the basic concepts whatever we have to progress our overall activities in speaking English, and I know that you can do this. Okay, so these are the basic things we know, but we don't follow this. That's why we can't even speak English fluently and confidently. But this is high time to change our habits, and if we can change our habits, then habits can make our life better. Okay, so to be a better speaker, you have to practice speaking English because you want to be a speaker. Okay, so if you want to be a speaker, then you have to speak. If you want to be a good listener, then you have to listen. So here is the thing, that is listening, reading, and writing, and also speaking are important things for your English. So it is a language. As a language, you have to practice reading, listening, writing, and also speaking. By improving these types of things, you can be able to be a very good speaker in English. And I hope that you will do this. If you have the willpower of improving your life and your skill, then you can do that. So don't think about your problems, think about your progress, and whatever level you have, whatever skill you have right now, it doesn't matter. The matter is your progress, and day by day you can develop your skill. And overnight it is not possible. It is not a one day trip or 1 month trip, but you can go through this journey by practicing more and more, by practicing over all the skills or related things in English. You can be able to speak English. Okay, so at the end of the journey, you can be a fluent speaker in English. So these are the basic things whatever I have already shared to you. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. And I'm trying to do my best, as you can see, and I can make also mistakes, because tour is human. As a human, we can make mistakes, we can make multiple mistakes, but we have to try to find out those types of mistakes. After finding that, we have to just solve. Okay, by solving we can improve our daily life, our English skill, or whatever things we are doing right now. Okay, so this is the overall thing for me, and you can follow this. And also this is my English journey, and I am trying to do my best also. So first one is whatever I have already said to you, that is, you have to find a topic and then gather knowledge. Okay, by gathering knowledge you can express. Okay, and then you have to find out the obstacles also. You have to gather vocabulary on this particular part. Okay, and then you can just practice in front of camera or mirror. You can try. After that, practice more and more. And I have already told you that reading, listening, writing, and speaking are the important components or elements to you for your English. And this is the thing what is important for you, and all of these things are important for us also, whoever are beginner in English and trying to do their best in English. Okay, so this is a language. As a language, we can learn this by learning, by practicing, by speaking. We can be a very good speaker in English. Okay, so this is the ultimate thing whatever we know. Thank you so much. See you later. Take care.